ArcGIS Pro, one useful thing is sketches. So sketches are provisional features that are used when you're either creating or you're modifying an existing feature. One nice thing is the sketches show all the vertices. So in this case, you could move one of these vertices around. You could change one of these vertices, and both the vertices and the segments between the vertices are shown. And at the bottom, we have a construction toolbar where you're able to do various things, including saving to the sketch. If we think about how we can edit, there's all these sorts of ways to approach editing, and all of those are represented by the different toolbars here. There's a general editing menu, there's a menu specific to sketches, there's a dynamic constraints menu, and there's a vertex menu. So let's take a look at each one of these. This is the general editing menu, and this appears when the select button is active and the user right-clicks on the map. So it's good for a variety of useful tasks. You can copy and delete entire features in your layer. You can explore the map. You can manage what you've selected. You can move, scale, or rotate features that already exist on the map, or you can get down to the point where you're actually editing the vertices, or you can also open the attribute pane for editing. So you can do all those sorts of things in the general editing menu. Getting down to the sketch menu here, this is used to construct new segments or vertices with constraints, such as if you have a specific XY value you want to put in, or if you're adding a line that's perpendicular to a line that already exists, it's helpful for that. And if you're adding a line of a specified length or direction. This appears when the sketch is active and the user right-clicks away. You'll see this star there that indicates that it's active. The dynamic constraint menu is one that is at the bottom of the map view. There should be a dynamic constraint button, and when this is toggled on, it shows the direction and the distance as you're putting on the next segment of the line. And so this is really helpful, especially when we're entering in things like survey data, where it might say the next length is 205 feet in the northeast direction from the previous point. You would be able to enter that quite well using this dynamic constraint button. And the vertex context menu is specifically for when you're working with the vertices associated with features within a layer. And you can do things like add or delete a vertice. You would right-click on it, and then after you right-click on it, it will give you the option of what you want it to do. If you right-click on a vertex, it would let you delete it. If you right-click on a line segment between vertices, it can let you add an additional vertex, which makes you able to better refine the outline of a particular area.